Okay. So the first question was, why does the VOC signal increase on the MS graph when the window is open? That will mean the ventilation will be increased too if the window is open. Is that logic?
No, it's not logical at all, and that's because I didn't want to modify the picture, because this was a picture from some marketing materials. But actually, I think what they mean is that there was a big peak, and then they opened the window afterwards, and you can see the big decay afterwards. So the event marking the window opening is the decay, not the big peak.
Okay. Have signals on figure 6, slide 10, been adjusted for the humidity levels? The sensitivity can be related to the water content. Cleaning generates a lot of moisture, while the presence of linoleum does not.
Yes and no. This is a very good question. We were not adjusting the data, but we were keeping a constant relative humidity during the experiments.
Okay. So have you made some calibration at the beginning and after 1-year experiments to see the deviation after long-term use?
Yes, that's a good one also. The answer is no, we cannot have this experiment running all the time, but this is definitely something which has to be done, and this is a kind of long-term testing which has to be done. The calibration itself is an issue. Some of the producers recommend a calibration, but then it's a question about what you use for calibration. They calibrate the sensor, or they claim in some of the data sheets you can read that they calibrate the sensors with isobutanol, acetone, single compounds, but this does not say that your sensor is calibrated when.
Okay. And one last question, because we are running out of time.
We let the sensors run. Okay.
Oh, sorry, I have some problem. So the last question was 800 or 1000 ppm is based on the well-defined outcome, percentage dissatisfied with air quality, while the ventilation based on the sensor response is related to its peak response. Is peak response relevant outcome based on which ventilation should be controlled?
Yes. Peak is there just to get the range, for the activity which was artificially created. So I would say not always will the peak be relevant outcome.